Today, let's have a reading practice about alphabet animals. Are you ready? Let's read. A is for alligator. I am an alligator. Read it again. I am an alligator. B is for bear. I am a bear. Read it again. I am a bear. C is for cat. I am a cat. Read it again. I am a cat. D is for dog. I am a dog. Read it again. I am a dog. E is for elephant. I am an elephant. Read it again. I am an elephant. F is for fish. I am a fish. Read it again. I am a fish. G is for goat. I am a goat. Read it again. I am a goat. E is for hippopotamus. I am a hippopotamus. Read it again. I am a hippopotamus. I is for iguana. I am an iguana. Read it again. I am an iguana. J is for jellyfish. I am a jellyfish. Read it again. I am a jellyfish. K is for koala. I am a koala. Read it again. I am a koala. L is for lion. I am A. Lion. Read it again. I am a lion. M is for monkey. I am a monkey. Read it again. I am a monkey. N is for narwhal. I am a narwhal. Read it again. I am a narwhal. O is for octopus. I am an octopus. Read it again. I am an octopus. P is for panda. I am a panda. Read it again. I am a panda. Q is for quail. I am a quail. Read it again. I am a quail. R is for raccoon. I am a raccoon. Read it again. I am a raccoon. S is for snake. I am a snake. Read it again. I am a snake. T is for turtle. I am a turtle. Read it again. I am a turtle. U is for urchin. I am an urchin. Read it again. I am an urchin. V is for vampire bat. I am a vampire bat. Read it again. I am a vampire bat. W is for whale. I am a whale. Read it again. I am a whale. X is for X-ray fish. I am An X-ray fish. Read it again. I am an X-ray fish. Y is for yak. I am a yak. Read it again. I am a yak. Z is for zebra. I am a zebra. Read it again. I am a zebra.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.